What I eat in a day intuitively as a vegan. So first of all, I start off by making my morning smoothie. I like to have this every single morning, and it starts off with 2 apples. I also add mint for digestion and lime juice for extra iron absorption. I add milled chia seeds for healthy fats and omega-3s, as well as flaxseed. And I also use ashwagnda powder for energy and Maca powder for muscle growth. I like to use hemp protein to give me a little bit of extra protein in my diet, as well as spinach. I love the way this smoothie mix tastes. I add a few of these. This smoothie is so refreshing. I can have this every morning. Time to go for a walk. I really like this outfit. I'm going for a walk now, and I want to go for a walk for at least around 15 minutes to an hour, and I just try to get around and enjoy the outdoors and soak in that vitamin D, because we all know how the weather changes up on us. So I want to get the most of that summer weather and those ocean breeze. I had soaked my lentils for 2 days so that they could begin to sprout. This is really great for digestion. If you find it's hard for you to digest beans or you get bloating, you should soak them and sprout them. Today I'm making a stew for lunch. This is one of my favorite ways to use lentils. It's so wholesome, and you can just leave it on the pot and forget about it. I've already added some onions, some garlic, and a little bit of water, and then added my vegetable stock cube. And then I'm adding all the ingredients to the pot and then leaving it on a boil, and then turning it down to a simmer and just leaving it like that. Just adding a few vegetables, anything random that I have in my fridge. There's no set type of vegetables that I use. Then after 30 minutes, it's lunchtime and it's ready. This is what I love to eat after a workout. Then as a snack, I love this fair trade dark chocolate from Lidl. And then for dinner, I have the same again.